Unlock inner peace, the power of now. Ever feel trapped in your thoughts, replaying the past or fearing the future? Eckhart Tolle's The Power of Now offers a radical solution: presence. Discover how to break free from mental chatter and find lasting peace. You are not your thoughts. The constant stream of judgments and worries is not your true self. Become the observer of your mind, creating space between you and your thoughts. This space is where your true self resides. The past is gone, the future is imagined. The now is all there is. Focus your attention on this very instant. Problems lose their power, and peace emerges. Negative thoughts fuel negative feelings. Tolle introduces the pain body, an accumulation of past emotional pain. Dissolve it with presence. Observe your emotions without judgment. The ego seeks validation externally. True fulfillment comes from recognizing your inherent being. The ego fears the now because it threatens its illusions. Direct your attention to the sensations within your body. Connect with your inner presence. Practice body scans to move beyond the conceptual mind. Our goal isn't just fleeting happiness, but enduring peace. Accept the present moment, even when it's challenging. Surrender to what is, and find stillness. Ready to embrace the now? Share your thoughts in the comments. Like this video and subscribe for more mindfulness insights. Start living in the present today.